4 foods and drinks to limit if you have diabetes plus healthier swaps. 1. Nachos. You walk into a restaurant and you're hungry. A quick look at the menu and there it is, nachos, one of your favorites. You order them as an appetizer and then order your meal. Unfortunately, most restaurant nacho orders equal and often exceed the calories of the entire meal. For example, a regular order of Chili's classic nachos has 1,110 calories, 39 grams of saturated fat and 55 grams of carbs. To put these numbers into perspective, most people need around 2,000 calories a day. The American Heart Association recommends limiting saturated fat to 5% to 6% of your total daily calories. That's 13 grams of saturated fat for someone on a 2,000 calorie diet. And while it's unique to everyone, 55 grams of carbs is closer to what you should be aiming for at each meal. 2. Flavored coffee drinks. A simple cup of joe with a little milk or even half and half can be the perfect drink for someone with diabetes. But many coffee shop drinks mimic desserts because of their nutritional profile, many of which are high in calories, added sugar, and saturated fat. For example, a 16-ounce Starbucks white chocolate mocha, with whipped cream and 2% milk, provides 430 calories and 53 grams of added sugar. Similarly, a medium Dunkin' Iced Signature Latte, whole milk and caramel flavor, has 410 calories and 39 grams of added sugar, while a large has 530 calories and 51 grams of added sugar. 3. Battered fish. Well, it depends on the preparation and the sides. The typical breaded fish meal with side dishes such as fries, hush puppies and coleslaw is best consumed in moderation. Why? Because most such foods are high in calories, saturated fat, and sodium. For example, a typical plate of 2 fried fish fillets with tartar sauce, hush puppies, fries and salad from Long John Silver's can provide more than 1,110 calories, 9 grams of saturated fat, 116 grams of carbohydrates and a whopping 3,150 milligrams of sodium. 4. Fruit juice drinks. Fruit juices are a common drink that many people consume on a daily basis. Most fruit juices, including natural ones, are high in calories and added sugar. For example, Minute Maid cranberry grape juice has 190 calories, 50 grams of carbs and 39 grams of added sugars in a 12-ounce serving. It's important to note that the nutritional information listed is per serving and that many canned or bottled beverages contain more than 1 serving. If there are 2 servings per container and you drink the whole thing, you need to double the amount of everything you see on the label.